The F12 error code in a Hotpoint washing machine indicates a communication problem between the primary and upper control boards. The upper control board manages functions such as door locks, water levels, and program selection, while the main control board receives this information and controls essential components like the monitor, pump, and others. When communication between these boards is disrupted, the machine displays the F12 error code to prevent potential damage. This error can be caused by loose or damaged wiring, faulty connectors, or a defective control board. Loose or damaged wiring can create weak or intermittent signals, disrupting communication between the boards, while malfunctioning connectors can hinder proper communication, resulting in weak and interrupted electrical signals. A defective control board may fail to send or receive signals, leading to communication errors. To fix the F12 error, it is recommended to visually inspect the wiring for loose connections and damage. Start by switching off the washing machine and disconnecting it from the power supply. Then open the machine's back panel and locate the main control board and the upper control board. Examine the wiring to identify any loose connections, damage, or signs of corrosion, and inspect the connectors linking the two boards for loose connections, dirt, or debris. Clean the connectors with a soft dry cloth or compressed air, and check for damage such as bent pins, cracked housings, or signs of burning. Reconnect any loose or disconnected wires as needed, avoiding over-tightening to prevent damage. If the wiring connections are functioning correctly, inspect the control module for any visible signs of damage, and replace the faulty control board with a new one compatible with the washing machine model if necessary. Sometimes, a simple reset can clear temporary glitches. To do this, press and hold the start or pause button for a few seconds with the machine unplugged. Then connect the machine to the power source and attempt to initiate a test cycle. If the error persists, it is recommended to contact a certified appliance repair technician for a thorough diagnosis and resolution.